Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this bright and colorful dry brush and freehand nail design. So I already painted my nails with white polish, and then I'm going to do the dry brush using pink, a neon orange, and a yellow. I've seen a lot of you guys like my dry brush designs. I guess because it's a much easier design. It's really simple. All you got to do is make sure there's not a lot of polish on the brushes, and you can add as many colors. You can go crazy and add so many colors, and it just gives it a nice abstract look. So I understand why you guys like it. I wanted to use these three colors because, it is kind of summertime. It's spring, but, we're getting into the summertime. So this is a perfect design, fun, cool summertime look, something bright and pretty. Now using a black nail striper, I'm going to draw a freehand design. Now, I really didn't know what I was doing. I was thinking of a design. I said, let me figure out what I was going to do. And I just said, let me do something kind of simple. I hope I made it simple for you guys if you want to recreate it. But kind of give it a French tip look to it. A nice, cool look. I did like the finished look of it, but I just didn't know what I was doing at first. Once I filled in the colors on the ends, I decided I wanted to draw some abstract lines, kind of like have the lines go in between each other. Just give it like a fun look. I guess I did, I liked the way it looked. I hope you guys liked the way it looked. It's something simple and easy. You can use any colors you want. And it just is something different. I really, like I said, I really wasn't, uh, um, I didn't have a complete idea of what I was going to do. But I have to say I did like the finished look. As you can see, once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails. See more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.